All right, welcome guys. Today is Wednesday, and we're gonna go ahead and focus on your task for today. So we're gonna go ahead and first things first, take care of your attendance link. So make sure you take care of this today. And as we scroll down to Wednesday, we're gonna find out that all we have to do is one discussion for the day. So why are you in this class? I want you to be able to give me as many details as possible as to why are you in this class, what is your expectation, what motivated you to be here. And this is going to be a great opportunity for you to use Google Docs. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and open a Google Doc, a new one. And we're going to make sure that we change the untitled doc part of this document to your last name underscore and then the period number. I'm just going to do P1 for now. The next thing you're going to do is to make sure that you change the font to 12 Times New Roman. And what you can do, since this is the same format that we're going to continue to use every single time, is to click on normal text and be sure that you update your normal text. So that way is the same. Okay, we're gonna apply. Nope, doesn't want to do it. There we go. So we're gonna update. All right. So once that is completed, I'm gonna go back, and the next thing I want to do is to in bold center the title of your paper, and we are gonna title it. And so I'm going to center, and I'm going to paste without formatting and in bold. So I'm going to make sure that this is the title of my paper. All right, I'm going to think about details about this interest, expectations, and what motivates me to be here. I don't really need this part right here. So why are you in this class is the question that you are going to answer. And then my instructions are simple. It says that we are going to write a 500-word paper that can answer that question, and this is a minor grade. So here's one thing that you should know. Once you begin typing, it's going to go ahead and allow you the option of, you can go to tools, and you should be able to count your words. Here's your word count. Here's another thing for those of you that like me sometimes dread typing. I'm going to go ahead and click on tools, and I'm going to go ahead, well, before I go there, I'm going to set my language, make sure that it is English, and it is. And I'm going to use tools, and I'm going to go ahead and use the voice typing, and I'm going to go ahead and allow my microphone, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to speak as clear as possible, period. This is a tool that you can use to record your voice, comma, and discuss all the items that you want to share regarding the answer to this question, period. Once you are finished dictating to this document, comma, you can go ahead and simply edit the areas where you will find mistakes, period. I really hope this tutorial is useful and that it shows you how easy it is to create a document using Word or a Google Doc, particularly using this feature, period. So notice how it's not perfect, and I'm going to have to go back and fix some things. And I can use my right-click tool to correct any spelling mistakes. I hope this document. All right. It's useful. All right. And so then you're going to go ahead and you make sure that it is not folded. You make sure that it is to the side. We're going to get one space down, and you could indent if you want to, because that is really the old school way of, well, it's not necessarily the old school way. Some papers will allow you to, or will require you to indent, some don't. I'm not really picky about it at this point, but I'm going to let it be your choice. So you can go ahead and do this. You're going to highlight everything, and then you're going to use the word count tool. And right here, you will see that the count is for 91 words. So we can select that if you wanted to. And that's really all I wanted to show you today. I think this is a good tutorial to get you going with the assignment. Once you are finished with that, you're going to go back and be sure that you complete and turn in your assignment using Canvas, and that is it. You can use the rest of the time to complete the assignment from yesterday if you still need time. And I really hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. If you have any questions, feel free to hop on the Zoom meeting, which it will be available until 4 o'clock today. And you can also send me an email. Have a great day.